Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Facebook Shop on Meta Business Suite. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Meta Business Suite. Log into your Facebook account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard of your Meta Business Suite. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Commerce. This option is where you'll find the tools to set up your Facebook shop. Next, select Shop from the options available in the Commerce menu. If you haven't set up a shop yet, look for the button that says Get Started. Click on this button to begin the setup process. You will need to choose your shop's checkout method. Select between checkout on Facebook or checkout on your website based on your preference. After that, provide the necessary information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and other contact details. Follow the prompts to set up your payment methods. Make sure to enter accurate information, as this will facilitate smooth transactions. Once payment details are set, you will be prompted to add products to your shop. Click on that Add Products button to begin. You can choose to add products individually or upload a CSV file for bulk upload. For individual products, fill in the required fields such as product name, description, and price. Upload high-quality images of your products to attract customers. Once you have added all your products, review the information for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, save your changes. Finally, click on Publish to make your shop visible to the public. Congratulations! Your Facebook shop is now activated on Meta Business Suite. You can manage and edit your shop from the same dashboard anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.